Hey Glowies, are you ready to slay this school year with the cutest, most organized bag ever? If you're obsessed with pastel colors, fluffy charms, and all things Y2K aesthetic, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you my absolute must-have school essentials for 2025, because who says back to school can't be super cute and practical? Grab your iced coffee, cozy up, and let's make your school bag the main character. Must-have cute school essentials. 1. Aesthetic notebook or planner. Choose trendy designs like pastels, floral patterns, or minimal beige tones. A cute planner doesn't just organize your life, it makes you want to stay productive. Add personalized stickers, washi tape, and color code your pages for an Instagram-worthy vibe. Your notes will look so good, you'll actually be excited to review them. 2. Fun pens and highlighters. Say goodbye to boring black ink. Go for pastel pens, glittery gel pens, or even scented markers. Mix and match colors to make your notes look like a Pinterest spread. Pro tip: store them in a clear or holographic case so that you're always inspired to study and show off your cute collection. It adds that extra sparkle to your desk setup and keeps everything organized for that aesthetic study vibe. 3. Cute pencil case. Pick something that reflects your personality. Plush pencil cases for a cozy feel, transparent for that clean aesthetic, or ones with dreamy patterns like clouds or hearts. You can also decorate it with mini charms or stickers to make it unique. Matching your pencil case to your backpack color theme gives major aesthetic points. 4. Water bottle. Hydration but make it cute. Choose bottles in pastel shades or those with motivational quotes like, "Stay hydrated, babe." If you love extra aesthetic vibes, go for glass bottles with fruit infusers or a matte finish. Matching your water bottle with your stationery colors? A total vibe. 5. Mini emergency kit. This is your school survival kit. Pack mini deodorant, a stain remover pen, lip balm, and extra hair ties. Throw it in a cute pouch, glittery or pastel works best. And lastly, add a tiny perfume roller or body mist for freshening up between classes. 6. Compact mirror and hairbrush. Perfect for quick bathroom touch-ups. A folding mirror with a cute design or heart shape equals chef's kiss. Pair it with a mini pastel detangling brush for those windy hair emergencies. Bonus if the mirror has LED lights for that glam aesthetic moment. 7. Snacks for the win. Cute and functional. Pack granola bars, trail mix, or mini rice cakes. Store them in a pastel snack container to keep your bag neat and clean. Plus, cute packaging makes your snack break so much more Instagram-worthy. 8. Hand sanitizer and wipes. Go for fun scents like vanilla sugar or fruity scent. Choose bottles with cute packaging or add a glittery sanitizer holder for that extra sparkle. Pair it with a mini pack of aesthetic wipes in pastel packaging, functional and cute. Trust me, these will come in handy more than you think. 9. Tote bag or eco-friendly lunch container. Bring a cute canvas tote with an aesthetic quote or soft design. For your lunch, use a pastel bento box or eco-friendly container. It's sustainable and Instagram-worthy. Matching your tote to your outfit makes your whole vibe look put together. Plus, it's perfect for carrying extra notebooks or snacks in style. 10. Tech essentials. Stay powered up everywhere. A portable charger is a lifesaver for long school days, especially in a cute pastel or heart shape. Keep your files safe with a fun USB drive, and protect your headphones in a matching case to avoid tangles and damage. A phone stand or pop socket isn't just for looks, they make scrolling, studying, and video calls way easier. Color-coordinated tech isn't just cute, it keeps everything organized and easy to find. 11. Keychain or bag charm. Personalize your bag with a soft plushie, kawaii character charm, or a monogrammed keychain. It makes your backpack look unique and totally you. Bonus tip: add a cute hand sanitizer charm or mini lip gloss for extra functionality. 12. Sticky notes and page flags. These aren't just for reminders, they make your study space pop. Use heart or cloud-shaped sticky notes for little to-do lists, and page flags to mark important sections. Try color-coding your subjects with different shades to keep things neat and easy to review. It's a small touch, but it makes studying feel more fun and organized. 13. Breath spray or mints. Stay fresh after lunch or snacks with a mini breath spray. Your future self will thank you during surprise presentations. Pick one in cute packaging or pastel colors to keep it fun. 14. Coin purse or mini wallet. Keep your lunch money, coins, or even emergency cash in a mini pouch with a cute print. Think strawberries, bears, or pastel gradients. It saves you from digging through your bag during rush hours or checkout lines. 15. Mini portable fan. A total game changer on hot days. Whether you're stuck in a warm classroom or commuting, this little gadget keeps you cool and comfortable. Go for a compact, rechargeable one that fits easily in your bag, so you can stay fresh anytime without carrying something bulky. It's small, useful, and your best friend during summer heat. 16. Folder or document sleeve. Keep all your papers neat and crease-free with a sturdy folder or document sleeve. It's perfect for storing handouts, worksheets, and important forms so they don't end up crumpled at the bottom of your bag. Go for fun options like pastel shades, holographic covers, or transparent ones with cute prints or motivational quotes. Not only does it make organizing easier, but it also adds a little personality to your study essentials. 17. Tissue pack in cute packaging. Think of tissues as your all-in-one rescue tool. They're not just for sneezes. Use them to fix a lipstick smudge, dab away oily skin, clean your phone screen, or save your notes from accidental coffee drips. Keeping a cute little pack in your bag turns a boring necessity into a mini accessory. Pick prints like clouds, hearts, or soft pastel tones for that extra touch. 18. Aesthetic calculator. Math but make it pretty. Choose pastel or vintage-inspired designs instead of the boring black ones. It makes doing equations just a little more fun. 19. Lip oil or gloss. Dry lips during class? No, bestie. Keep a nourishing lip oil or gloss in your bag for that hydrated, glossy look. Choose one with a cute applicator and a sweet scent. It's both functional and aesthetic. Bonus if it's tinted for a soft, natural glow. 20. Cute sticker packs. Throw in a few small sheets of aesthetic stickers for decorating notebooks or personalizing your stuff during breaks. Clouds, hearts, motivational quotes, instant aesthetic upgrade. 21. Cute sleeping mask. If you love quick naps during long school breaks or commutes, a soft sleep mask is a lifesaver. Go for a satin or silk one in pastel pink, baby blue, or even with a cute pattern for that cozy feel. It helps block out light so you can actually rest, even in bright classrooms or buses. 22. Cute nail care kit. Keep a nail file, mini clippers, and a buffer in a small pastel pouch. It's a lifesaver for nail emergencies, like a chipped nail snagging on your sweater in the middle of class. Plus, it's perfect for when you're bored during breaks. Filing or buffing your nails is a relaxing little activity that keeps them looking neat. You can even throw in some cute nail stickers or a mini cuticle oil for extra self-care on the go. 23. Cute mini hand cream. After washing your hands all day, they can feel dry. A mini hand cream in a cute tube is a lifesaver. Look for soft scents like vanilla or lavender for a calming vibe. Bonus if the tube design is aesthetic enough for a flat lay shot. 24. Inspirational or affirmation cards. Carry a small book filled with inspirational quotes or short poems. Flip through whenever you need a little pick-me-up or creative inspiration. It's a nice break from screens and a great way to spark new ideas for journaling or social media captions. 25. Compact toothbrush and toothpaste set. For after-lunch freshness, a mini foldable toothbrush and toothpaste set is a lifesaver. Choose a pastel case or a clear acrylic one for that aesthetic look. 26. Mini hair perfume mist. Keep your hair smelling fresh all day with a travel-size hair mist. Pick one with soft floral or vanilla scents, and choose a pastel or frosted bottle for the aesthetic vibe. 27. Pastel contact lens case, if you wear contacts. For all my contact lens girls, get a small pastel or holographic case with a built-in mirror. It looks aesthetic and keeps your lenses safe in emergencies. 28. Tiny plushie keychain for stress relief. Attach a soft, mini plushie to your bag. Instant stress reliever and aesthetic. Choose Sanrio, Hello Kitty, or something pastel-themed for extra cuteness. You don't have to bring all of these. 30 items definitely won't fit in one bag. We're not trying to make you haul a suitcase to school. Just pick the ones you'll actually use and that makes sense for your routine. The goal isn't to carry everything, it's to have what you need to stay organized, comfy, and ready for anything. Good luck this school year. Stay consistent, study well, and don't forget to take care of yourself too. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you find a few cute and practical things to add to your school bag. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.